Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix TikTok's privacy settings. So in this video, I'm going to give you some steps to help you adjust your TikTok privacy settings. First, you just need to open the TikTok applications and then go to your profile. And on your profile in here, you need to tap on the three lines icon at the top right corner to access the settings and privacy. And then tap on settings and privacy at the bottom. And in here, you can see privacy. So you can select on that. So you can customize the various privacy settings. In here you can the first one is you can adjust the discoverability. In here you can set your account as private if you want to, but with a private account only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos, so your existing followers won't be effective. Here you can also hide your activity status. So as you guys can see, I've already hide mine, because when you turn this on, you and your friends will see each other's activity status. And then in here, if you scroll down, there's this interaction section. Here you can choose who can comment on your videos. By clicking on this, you can choose between everyone, friends, or no one. So you can choose who can comment on your post. In this case, I'm using everyone. And here you can also choose who can send you the direct messages. You can also choose from friends, everyone, suggested friends, or no one. So in here, for direct message or DMs, I only choose friends. If you want to change it, you can just click on the settings that you want, and then it will automatically save when you go back. Here you can also adjust who can see your like videos. You can choose between everyone or only me. And here like videos, so as you guys can see, I've already set mine on only you, so only I can access my like videos. You can also here at the top adjust the sync context. You can disable this to prevent TikTok from suggesting friend based on your contacts. So I've already disabled mine. And here you can also explore other privacy settings such as duet, stage, triggers, download, following list, and others. So you can adjust or modify it to how you like it. But you need to remember that regularly review and update your privacy settings. You need to ensure your desired level of privacy, and be cautious about sharing personal information in your profile or comments, and be aware of the potential risk of sharing sensitive information online. So by following these steps and being mindful of your privacy settings, you can enjoy TikTok while protecting your personal informations. I hope this will be helpful for you. So don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, click on the thanks, and subscribe. Bye.